Disarming occurs when the doors are unlocked with either the key or the RKE transmitter. The universal garage door opener has been relocated to the overhead console. The universal transmitter now works with garage door openers that use rolling codes. Looking at the instrument panel, the new design is stiffer and lighter, using foam in-place construction with a plastic molded retainer and steel reinforcements. Air outlets have been moved from the door trim panels to the outboard area of the instrument panel. The deck lid release button has been moved from the glove box to the instrument panel on the left side of the steering column. Each model has a unique instrument cluster that differs in design, yet they share many of the same features. For example, they all use 4 analog gauges: the speedometer, tachometer, fuel level, and engine coolant temperature. Also, all instrument cluster warning and information indicators are contained within the cluster and easily visible. On LHS, 300M, and Intrepid, the instrument panel is combined with the center console. They are removed from the vehicle as one component. Speaking of which, instrument panel replacement is significantly different from the previous model. You'll need to refer to the service manual for the correct procedure. The LHS and 300M both have an electronic analog clock located in the instrument panel above the central air outlets. The passenger side airbag is a top-mount, seamless design that not only provides improved appearance, but also is less likely to be stolen or tampered with. It uses a liquid fuel inflator for smokeless deployment. As in the past, the airbag control module, or ACM, is located under the center console. The ACM detects impacts by means of an internal sensor. The body control module, or BCM, is now connected directly to the junction block. A base level BCM is on the 300M, Concorde, and Intrepid, while the LHS uses a premium level BCM. You can distinguish between the two by looking at the back of them. The back of the base BCM is gray, while the back of the premium BCM is black. The BCM has been upgraded to support the new PCI bus and has a number of added responsibilities, including exterior lamps, manual HVAC system and system diagnostics, electric rear window defogger, RKE system, automatic headlamps, and customer programmable rolling door locks. In addition, the premium BCM on the LHS now also controls the speed proportional power steering. The new PCI bus, which replaces the CCD bus used previously, was the subject of the November Mastertech program. If you'll recall, the PCI bus uses a single wire rather than the twisted pair used previously. Components that communicate over the bus are the instrument cluster, body control module, powertrain control module, controller anti-lock brake module, the overhead travel information system, Sentry key Immobilizer module, climate control module, transmission control module, airbag control module, memory heated seats and mirror module, CD changer, and all radios except the AM/FM radio with cassette sales code RAS, which is standard equipment on the Concorde and Intrepid. One of the first things you'll notice when looking at the steering wheel is the new 4-spoke design. The horn switch has been relocated to the upper center of the steering wheel. New automatic speed control switches positioned between the steering wheel spokes are easier to reach. The driver's side airbag incorporates a new hybrid inflator module that uses compressed argon gas. The steering column, composed of magnesium and aluminum, is lighter in weight and provides enhanced impact energy absorption. Looking at the seats, all of the outboard seating positions use an automatically adjusting unibelt 3-point system, as well as height-adjustable shoulder belts. The front seats on the LHS and 300M are heated and are part of the personalized memory system. Speaking of which, the personalized memory system is a feature that is standard on the LHS and available on the 300M. This system allows 2 drivers to pre-program their individual power seat, power mirror, and radio button settings. The system works with either the RKE transmitters or by switches located on the outboard side of the driver's seat cushion. The memory heated seats and mirror module is located under the driver's seat and is connected to the RKE system through the PCI bus. In addition to operating the personalized memory system, the standalone module also controls the high and low settings for the heated seats. The seat, mirror, and radio settings are programmed into memory using the switches on the seat. After the settings are made, they are entered into module memory with the set button, then either of two numbered buttons. Once the settings are memorized, you can program the RKE transmitter by pressing either the lock or unlock button within 10 seconds after memorizing the preferred settings. For safety purposes, these buttons will not operate while the vehicle is moving. For assistance in servicing the LHS and 300M, a 1999 service manual supplement will be available. Also, there will be a number of new courses available that cover diagnosing and servicing of these vehicles. Those to look for include LH body electrical, automatic temperature control, sunroof and body mechanical, and engine. In addition, some Level 5 courses will also be available. Now, before we leave, how about one last review question? Which of the following features is not related to the RKE system? A. Horn chirp. B. Rolling door locks. C. Once or twice pressed trunk release. Or D. Rolling codes. The answer is B. One programmable feature that isn't related to the RKE system is the rolling door locks, which is standard on vehicles with power door locks. Well, that concludes our look at the Chrysler LHS and 300M, an update on the Concorde and Intrepid. We hope the information we've given you will be helpful to you in the future. We'll see you next month when we'll be discussing the 24-valve Cummins diesel engine.